Hello everyone. My name is Hayley Singh from St. Xavier High School, and I will be giving a presentation on the effects that magnetism has on basil. A second, let me present my screen. Okay. So let's start off with magnetism. A magnet is a piece of metal that has a strong attraction with another piece of metal. This attraction is called a magnetic field. A magnet is an object that projects a magnetic field. Although magnetism is not something we can see with the human eye, it causes subtle effects that may not be visible. There are multiple types of magnets, and they can be differentiated by separating them into two groups: strong and weak magnets. Magnets have many positive effects which pertain to both the human body and the environment. Okay. Basil plants, also known as Ocimum basilicum, thrives in moist soil, not too wet and not too dry. It consists of many health benefits, including digestion. It can help with anti-inflammatory. They have skin benefits, helps to fight depression, manages diabetes, supports liver functions, as well as helps to detoxify the body and promotes a healthy gut. Basil plants can grow up to 6 months in the ground, and they can live up to 4 months in a pot. Basil is a great source of vitamin K, manganese, iron, vitamin A, and vitamin C. It's also a great source of calcium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Basil helps to repel flies, aphids, and asparagus beetles. Okay, my experiment. In this experiment, I will be testing whether or not magnetism has a positive or negative effect on plants. The plant that I will be using for this experiment is called basil, or Ocimum Basilicum L. My hypothesis in this experiment would be that the more magnetism there is, the healthier the plant will be. I believe that this will be the outcome because plants have a connection to gravity as well as the magnetic pull that correlates with it. There are 5 groups. Each group will receive the same amount of water and sunlight. 4 out of 5 of the groups are experimental, and the 5th group of this experiment is controlled. Okay, the progress. This is group 1, which is my experimental group that has a strong magnet. Within 12 days, the plant began to show signs of leaves. The stem appeared to be growing, and on day 12, the plant had reached a height of 1.9 centimeters. This is group 2, which is also the experimental group with a strong magnet. Within 12 days, the stem began to appear from the dirt. The stem began to grow more, and it appeared to be showing signs of a leaf developing. On day 12, the plant reached a height of 0.8 centimeters. This is group 3, and the results were within 12 days, the stem began to sprout, and on day 12, the plant reached a height of 0.5 centimeters. And in group 4, within 12 days, there were little to no signs of growth. On day 12, the plant reached a height of 0.1 centimeters. And on group 5, within 12 days, there were no signs at all of growth. The plant remained at 0 centimeters. And this graph provides additional information to support my hypothesis. And my hypothesis was correct. The more magnetism added to the plant, the more the plant will grow and prosper. The magnetic pull of the earth is known to have an effect on living organisms and the biological processes. The evidence indicates that the earth's magnetic pull influences seed germination by acting as an auxin or plant hormone. This information could help keep botanists well informed to ensure that the well-being of plants. With this information, I may be able to inform people who enjoy growing plants advice on how to let them prosper. Thank you for listening to my presentation.